Hello, Super Kids! Welcome to another interesting lesson with Mr. Olio. I hope your day has been wonderful. On the previous lesson, we talked about solubility, which I believe you learned a lot. In this lesson, you will be learning about an interesting topic known as the melting point. I'll come again, melting point. We're going to be seeing the definition of a melting point and the various degrees whereby some substances melt. First and foremost, what is melting point? The melting point of a substance is the temperature at which the substance changes form. I'll come again. The melting point of a substance is the temperature at which the substance changes form. The melting point of a substance is the same as its freezing point. I'll come again. The melting point of a substance is the same as its freezing point. This simply means the same time it takes a substance to melt is the same time it will take that substance to freeze. Now, some substances have melting point around room temperature. Others melt at much lower temperature. That not all substances melt at the same time. Next, one of the most important factors about melting point is the application of heat. The application of heat. Without heat, melting point cannot occur. So there must be application of heat, resulting in the melting point of an object. Next, you will be learning are some various substances and their melting point in degrees Celsius. 1. Oxygen. Melting point is minus 218. 2. Chlorine. The melting point is minus 101 degrees Celsius. 3. Mercury. The melting point of mercury is minus 39 degrees Celsius. 4. Ethanol. The melting point of ethanol is minus 117 degrees Celsius. 5. Bromine. The melting point of bromine is minus 7 degrees Celsius. 6. Water. The melting point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. 7. Sulfur. The melting point of sulfur is 113 degrees Celsius. Number 8. Sucrose. The melting point of sucrose is 185 degrees Celsius. 9. Sodium chloride. The melting point of sodium chloride is 801 degrees Celsius. Super kids, the next you'll be learning are some metals and their melting points. 1. Aluminium. The melting point of aluminium is 660 degrees Celsius. 2. Brass. The melting point of brass is 930 degrees Celsius. 3. Copper. The melting point of copper is 1084 degrees Celsius. 4. Gold. The melting point of gold is 1063 degrees Celsius. 5. Cast iron. The melting point of cast iron is 1204 degrees Celsius. 6. Aluminium. Bronze. The melting point is 1027 to 1038 degrees Celsius. 7. Chromium. The melting point is 1860 degrees Celsius. So these are some metals and their various melting points. Next fact about melting point is that the more compact a substance, the more degree of melting point. I'll come again. The more compact a substance, the more degree of melting point. Meaning, the more matter a substance contains, the higher the degree of melting point of that substance. Wow, super kids! It has been an interesting lesson so far, knowing the various melting points of some substance and metals all around us. And now you know that not all substance melts at the same time. Can't wait to see you guys in the next lesson. And don't forget, hard work pays. Stay safe. Bye bye.